Hi guys, I'll be doing a quick unboxing of this old drone. Bagong dating na package pero old drone na siya. Uh, this drone came out I think way back 6 to 7 years ago. So this is old drone guys. Pero I think this is still a good drone kahit lumabas na siya way back 6-7 years ago. So let's do it guys. So please like this video guys, and share this video and subscribe to the channel. Please don't forget to like this video. So quick unboxing of MJX X600. So gaya ng sinabi ko, this drone came out 6 or 7 years ago. Like that. This is a hexacopter. Yun. Kung mapapansin nyo, ano siya, 6 arms, 6 propellers. So hexacopter. So X series. So this is all drone guys. 2.4 gigahertz. Yan. From MJX. Yan, MJX. Yung tagal na akong papalipad ng drone na to. MJX, a very good drone. Very good manufacturer. So, yun nga guys. X series. So, hexacopter. Yan. Just a quick unboxing guys kasi I think this is no longer related sa drone world ngayon, but I think this is a very cool drone. That's why binili ko pa rin siya. Still, this is a very cool drone. Very nice drone. Yun. Guys, user manual guys. Look at the drone. Hexacopter guys. 6 arms. 6 arms. Controller. Propeller, screwdriver, charger, and top guard and landing gear. And the drone. So, ito yung hexacopter guys. Hirap baklasin. Ang daming ano eh. So, yun guys, this is the battery inside. So, yun, 7.4 volts ang battery niya. So, nice looking drone, hexacopter. So, yun guys, please like this video. And like and share, and please do not forget to subscribe. to the channel. Like and share this video. Hexacopter MJX X series hexacopter, old drone, way back 6 to 7 years ago, but still a nice drone and a very cool drone. Look at the design.